departure is Qantas 960, surpassing 1,500 kilometre flight level 180. We've just got a gear problem at the moment, we can't get the gear up, so I'd like to just continue on the departure out to the right at 3,000 feet. We'll have a look at it and let you know our intentions.
Qantas 960, roger, stop climb 3,000.
3,000, Qantas 960.
Sections Darwin, Darwin information for power is now current. Changes QNH 999 information for power.
Departure is Qantas 960.
Qantas 960.
Yeah, for the time being, can we just continue en route to Alice and normal climb? We've got the gear up and we're just going to contact the company and see what they want us to do.
Qantas 960, roger, climb to flight level 180.
Okay, climb flight level 180 and we'll have to get a waiver on the altitude restriction at backseat.
Qantas 1960, flight heading 070.
Cancel seat heading 070, Qantas 1960.
At this stage, it looks like we may have to return to Darwin, if that's okay.
960, no worries, would you like to stop climb?
Please.
960, stop climb flight level 130.
Level 130, Qantas 960. Qantas 958.
Qantas 960, roger, enter the hold, present position, left-hand pattern, 1 minute legs, inbound current heading.
1 minute pattern left hand, Qantas 960.
Stations information, Quebec changes rain to the northeast, temperature 29, QNH 1000.
Qantas 1960 request.
Qantas 960, go ahead.
Roger, can we descend to 6,000 feet?
Qantas 960, 6,000 will take you outside controlled airspace at your current airspace. Descend to 7,000, QNH 1000.
Thank you, descend to 7,000, QNH 1000, Qantas 1960. Qantas 1960.
Qantas 960, go ahead.
Yeah, just for your planning purposes, we've got to burn off about 2 tonnes of fuel, so it's going to be just under an hour. So if you'd like to plan for us to circle around here for about an hour, and then we'll be requesting a return to Darwin.
Copy, Qantas 960, advise when you're ready for an approach into Darwin.
Okay, no problems. Will do.
Request.
Qantas 960, go ahead.
Qantas 960, task is requesting information. Is your gear currently down?
Yeah, it is down at the moment. We're just trying to increase our fuel burn so we can get on the ground sooner.
Qantas 960, thanks.
Qantas 960, we're now ready for the approach. We cancel the hold. We have information called back.
Qantas 960, roger, cancel the hold, turn left heading 180, vectoring for the ILS runway 29.
Cancel the hold, left heading 180, Qantas 1960.
Qantas 1960, when ready, descend to 3,000.
When ready, 3,000, Qantas 960. Qantas 960, we can track direct to La Paz if that helps.
Qantas 960, resume navigation, position 25 miles northeast of La Paz, track direct La Paz, clear the ILS approach, runway 29.
Thank you, direct to La Paz, clear the ILS, runway 29, Qantas 960.
Qantas 1960, runway 29, clear to land.
Runway 29, clear to land, Qantas 1960.
Ground, Qantas 1960 for Bay 4.
Qantas 1960, Darwin ground, taxi to Bay 4.